2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, halogen headlamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.